Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our weekly analysis. It's Sunday, and yeah, tomorrow it's actually Monday. I think tomorrow is still a holiday, but the market is going to open. So it's not really an aggressive holiday. So as you can see, we are already on our economic calendar. You can see that tomorrow we have manufacturing PMI around 4. The market already will be opened. And on Tuesday, actually this week we have enough, guys, because we also have job openings. We have service PMI. Powell is gonna speak on Wednesday. Unemployment claims on Thursday, and NFP on Friday. So this is going to be a very busy week. But before we just have to actually go back on our Friday, because we had something very nice on Friday. If you still remember, there was some economic news last Friday, on that Good Friday, by the way. I hope you did enjoy your Good Friday, right? So we had core CPI. Previously it was 0.5. That was actually a bit aggressive. Guess what? That number went lower. So the estimates actually was right. The forecast was actually right. The number came around to 0.3. But when I check on the other platform, it's like 0.25. Maybe they did a round of the numbers. That's why maybe we got this 3. But that is good, because this is not actually good for the dollar. So which means maybe tomorrow we might see the market starting to go up, especially on Nasdaq, gold, and the other ones. Unfortunately, on Friday, we were not going to see that, because the market was actually closed, right? So mostly those moves, we're gonna see those spikes tomorrow. So let's go back on this week. So this is what we have. So you can see this week it's full of this economic news, but most important one is gonna be Friday, which is NFP. Forecast here on NFP seems like the number is gonna go a little bit lower. Average earnings little bit higher, but we will see what will happen. Another one here, it's Wednesday. Powell is going to speak. We know that when Powell speaks, things start to go bad, right? But since on Friday the news were much better, maybe it's gonna be much positive, then we're gonna see the likes of Nasdaq, because I'm still holding that Nasdaq, right? So I think maybe here we're done. You can go on CNBC or Bloomberg Markets just to keep yourself up to date, right? So just to keep yourself up to date. So we are on Bitcoin. So here we're gonna make some few changes, guys. I've realized that I'm doing so many stuff. I'm like doing more than 10 pairs on one video. Not that maybe the video is long or something like that, but I think it's much better for me to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then I will do the other one after that. This one is gonna be a different video. Mostly it's gonna be minor pairs. So, and it's going to be on that other channel that I took time to send some videos. Then I will be updating you on that, right? But and also that this is actually a lot of work for me just to do everything at once, you see. And if you still remember, my primary focus is actually on Nasdaq. Maybe we can add gold, US30, but actually Nasdaq, it's something that I do like 100% or 90% of the time, right? So yeah, now we can go on the analysis. This is gonna be weekly. I will start with this Bitcoin. So what's really happening? Maybe you can see that, Kenzo, what's really happening with your candlesticks? So I like to actually use this step or line step or something. Yeah, it's step line actually on my charts when I'm not doing this, because it makes things to be way much easier. You don't really see so many candlesticks like that. Just see this, not really bad, but just look step line. Everything is just straightforward. You can easily see that, yes, the market is doing what? The market is just going up very nice. You don't really care about these smaller moves, because the market, as long as the market is actually on that uptrend, it just makes your job very easy. You can wait to enter around this level of support, Quite simple. But just because we started with candlesticks, yes, you can still use them. People understand them, and that is how we are going to continue like that. But on your own, use something that actually works perfect or perfectly, and you don't really have any problem with that. So on Bitcoin, you can easily see that yes, the market is still going up. The Bitcoin is actually still going up aggressively. But I like this reversal because now the market is just going quite slower. Yes, we are actually on 70k. So maybe next week, and maybe when times goes on, year end there, the market or Bitcoin will be reaching 90 or 100. Something like that, you see, or more than that. It's possible because this year things are not going very nice for most of the stocks, right? Or for most of the economies. They are not going, they're still battling with inflation, even though now it's trying to go a little bit lower. But I think things will be going even higher, similar to gold, right? So this is what I see. Let's focus on this uptrend, and we are looking for a buy. So which means when you have an uptrend like this, don't confuse yourself looking for buy sells. Just focus on a buy because 90% of the time the market will be going up. So why will you want to go against this 90? Because you can see whether we had this sell or whatever, at the end of the day, the market was just going up. Simple, straightforward, like that. So let's push to the next one, which is actually DXY, dollar index. So on dollar index here, we have a very nice structure. You can see that yes, the market is changing the trends like very quick. We had a proper sell or downtrend a few weeks ago. Guess what? The market tried to change that and make that as a very smaller uptrend. While we are still focusing on that uptrend, then the market changed. Now it seems like the market will be going up. So it means the market can still change way much easier because you can see these trends are very shorter. Even here, maybe we might have a very short trend, then the market might reverse. At the biggest on a bigger structure, it's actually a sort of consolidation. If you go on a monthly, this is just something like that. So the market doesn't really move very nice if you check this on a bigger time frame. So which means that things are not going well, and we are focusing more actually mostly on fundamentals, and you should understand this, right? So now on DXY, we will focus on the structure. You can see that the last downtrend structure was actually broken out. Now the market is trying to go up. We had a smaller resistance. It seems like the market is breaking out of that. It seems like the market wants to continue going up with that smaller uptrend, but it's still very early, but we need to see what will happen. Maybe tomorrow things will start to change. But remember, we have NFP on Friday, and don't forget to plan your trades before that, right? So GBPUSD, what's really happening on GBPUSD? Quite straightforward structures. GBPUSD, most likely the market moves very nice. You can see that we are coming from a very nice uptrend there before we have that breakout. On this breakout, now we can easily see that the market is giving us this consolidation structure. So this shows us, or mostly we will see this when the market breaks out. The market breaks out, then the market starts to consolidate. It's like the market is just thinking, whether should I continue going down or maybe should I reverse? So once the market is doing that, don't involve yourself when the market is still deciding. Wait for it to break out, then you can look for a sell. And for now, we are looking for that sell as the market is actually on this downtrend. Actually, the market, once the market breaks out of this uptrend, obviously the market is trying to change from this uptrend to a downtrend. That's why now we are looking for a nice downtrend structure, and I think the market will end up continuing like that. But firstly, for those who know, Mostly when the market breaks out, it will give us this consolidation structure. Sometimes the market can even go up, and that will be called an adjustment. It was no longer a breakout. It means the market was just adjusting this type of a structure before going up. At the end of the day, I think this is just a breakout. Yes, you can, some they can draw it like that. It's fine. There's nothing wrong with that. But I will actually focus on this trend. As long as we have a support here, if the market wants to respect that, it's fine. It will be going up. Or maybe the market will be ending up breaking out of that support. And we can say, you know what? It's time for us to look for a sell or something like that. So now we are actually on precious metals. Like gold, and yes, this is gold, a gold spot. What's really happening? The market is aggressively on this uptrend. I've been repeating this structure for quite some time now, just for you just to understand. You can see that we are coming from a very nice downtrend structure. And this downtrend structure, we see a nice breakout, guys. We see a very nice breakout. And from this nice breakout here, you can see that showed us that we are now on a very nice uptrend. And that trend, it's still continuing. You can see that the market is now continuing with that uptrend. The reason why I did not really take this out is because we did smash the market out of that, out of this gold. So you can see our take profit was around this level. So I'm still expecting to see the market continuing, like seriously hard. But the market can still reverse here and there. But at the end of the day, I'm still bullish on gold. So I'm still expecting to see some very nice reversals before we look for another buy position. Simple as that. So we did smash this one very nice. So it was quite straightforward. And it's not really surprising, guys. We have like I have plus 5 years of experience in the market. So sometimes to us it seems like it's obvious, but not for everyone, right? Not for everyone. So now we are actually on US30. What's really happening on US30? You can easily see that yes, the market is still actually going up. This is a very nice uptrend. You can see that we've been on this uptrend for quite some time. If I try to go a little bit lower, you can see that we just adjusted this trend. You can see that it's coming far from, it's way too far. You can see from November, the market was here. Just look at that. So now we just tried to adjust that trend, and it's still continuing very well. So that's why I'm saying that it's much better to follow the trend. But once you understand them, it's going to be difficult for you not to follow them, because it makes your job easy. Since November, I was just bullish on US30. So you can easily see that if maybe you are a swing trader and if you're following us, it means you can just hold, take a week, close, hold, open another trade, and you just relax if your account will be big, if your account is bigger. But if maybe your account is not really that big, you can just get in, get out, get in, and you have confidence to hold those trades longer. Just because you understand that, okay, trends can last very long, so why should I just get out and now and then, you see? So yes, whatever that you see there, yes, that's correct. We did smash this. That's why I did not really take that out, so that you can easily see that yes, we did smash that, but I'll take that out now. So on this one, you can easily see that the market is showing us that we have a very nice resistance there. The market has been going up for quite some time. This is a very nice uptrend. So what we see here is the market is trying to show us that we are on a resistance. Even though we are on a resistance, but we know very well that we are on this uptrend. So the market can reverse around this level. We will be looking for another buy, or maybe the market will even go even lower just to test this stronger support. There is a possibility that the market might not even reach this level. The market can actually break this resistance. As we are on an uptrend, the market can break that, and we will continue with that uptrend, and we will look for that buy. As I told you, we've been on this uptrend and we've been on this buy for quite long, all right? We are not confused, by the way. So what's really happening on Nasdaq? Nasdaq quite similar to US30. We are coming from that uptrend, but on Nasdaq, not really that much. You can see that it's not really, it's similar to US30, but US30 has been aggressive. this year has been aggressive. So you can see that, yes, we are still going up since November also. So which means we are actually, when we say we are on this uptrend, we know what we're talking about, because we have more than 3 months of, or 5 months actually, of this trend going up. So why will you try to go against it? Yes, along the way, just because we see the market is an uptrend, it doesn't really mean the market won't give us those reversals. Yes, the market will give those will give us those reversals, and yes, the market will still go to our direction or in our favor, right? So as long as you apply your risk management, as long as you understand your entry strategies, your structures, that will actually help you, as long as you understand your time frames. But if you don't really understand that, yes, it's something that you're supposed to learn. You have to learn, guys. There is no shortcuts on this. You just have to learn. So on Nasdaq, we can easily see that yes, the market is still actually on that nice uptrend. We are still trying to see if maybe the market will be respecting this area, but I'm confident that the market will end up respecting this level and go to the upside. Maybe the market wants to touch this support, we don't know. Around this level also, the market is showing us that it's actually on smaller support. If we go there, we have a trade, guys, which I've been holding for quite some time. So you can see around this level, it's actually a sort of a support area. So I'm expecting the market to continue. I'm expecting the market to respect this level and go push to the upside. Yes, there is a chance that the market can still break out of that, but once it breaks, we have another support a little bit below that, so that I can say yeah, that is good. The market can still go to the upside. So that's what I'm expecting. That's actually what I'm expecting, right? So let's see what's really happening on the other ones. Let's see, on the other one, it's actually S&P 500. Quite straightforward structure. We are actually on a very nice uptrend also. That's why we are still looking for those buys. Sometimes the market can move away from our support for quite long, and sometimes it can be difficult for everyone just to jump on the market. But what I like is we are on this nice uptrend, and I'm expecting the market to continue going up. We are expecting the market to go to the upside. But what we have now, you can see that the market is actually on a resistance, and it seems like the market will be respecting that level. Around this area, it's like it's our new support area. We're gonna use that. Maybe the market will end up consolidating like that, or maybe the market will end up breaking out. As this is actually an uptrend, there is enough chance that the market can break out, or a reversal is also welcomed, so that we can actually look for that buy. Simple as that. So let's push to the next one, which is US oil. So on US oil, you can easily see that the market is actually giving us a continuation of this buy. The market is actually giving us this continuation of a buy. The market is going up. We have this nice consolidation structure inside this nice uptrend. As you know, I'm waiting for the market to reach this level before we look for that buy again. For now, the market is going up, unless if the market gives us a proper structure that we can say the market just broke out, we need to actually continue buying. Remember, we're not chasing the market. We don't really chase the market. Sometimes we can hold trades for the whole week. Sometimes we can hold trades or a few hours and we get out very early. It depends on the market. And if you want to learn, and if you want all this information, guys, we have more than 5 years of experience, so we will be actually teaching you everything. But by the ways, everything, I will just show you my advert there. So we are actually going big. You go big or you go home. So if you want the shortcuts, just remember, not on this channel, we don't really do some shortcuts. So anyways, I will see you on the next one. Bye. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. So we have everything for you, from mentorship and VIP signals. So on our VIP signals, we have 3 options. So the first one is going to be 3 months of signals, which is actually $180. The second option is 12 months, of VIP signals for only $450. So on that, you also get on-demand a library of our mentorship, so which means you just get the videos. So the last option is platinum, or you can just call that lifetime signals. On that, you get lifetime signals and you get extra 2 months of mentorship. That is going to be one-on-one, so which means we're going to have schedules that I can actually help you for 2 months. Again, we also have mentorship, which is quite it's different. This one is not actually signals. So on our mentorship, it's actually 2 months of mentorship for only $600. Remember, this is our 5-year plus 5 years experience, so into that 2 months, so you can just start trading as soon as possible. So on that, we actually cover risk management, learn about entries, trading mindset or psychology, how we approach the market structures, how to be disciplined, how to be consistent, profits and losses. You have to master that, and proper time frames. If you can know that, I think you are going to be consistent in your trading. So thank you very much. This is Kenzo, Xtrahot Forex. See you on the next one. Bye.